Hi there. For those of you who were unable to make it to our tech workshop, I thought I would make a quick little tutorial video for you on how to download your Sliderocket presentations and get them into Google Presentation. So what you need to do is navigate into Sliderocket. Once you're there, choose the presentation you would like to download. So I'll just click on this one, for instance. And in Sliderocket, you have some tabs kind of across the upper left part of the page, and you're looking for the word download. When you click on download, you have a variety of options in terms of formats that you could download your presentation as or your Sliderocket as. But the only one that is editable is the very last one, PowerPoint. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And it'll ask you if you want to continue working, which you can, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to sit here for a second and let it download it. So it says it's ready. And once I hit OK, it already goes ahead and starts downloading the Sliderocket now as a PowerPoint file for me. So that's kind of phase one, is first just downloading the file. The second phase is that I actually need to open it up in PowerPoint. And when it opens up in PowerPoint, here's the presentation that I had. What I need to do is go up to File and save it as a PowerPoint from 97 to 2004 file. You're looking for the file extension PPT minus the X. So PPT, not PPTX. So I'm going to choose PPT, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop so that I can easily find it. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So step one is I downloaded it from Sliderocket. Step two, I resaved it as the older version of PowerPoint. And now what I can do is I can go to Google Chrome, navigate to Google Drive, and in Google Drive, click on the Upload button, that's the arrow pointing up into the sky, and choose Files. And once I've done that, find the file that I'm looking for, so it was this particular one, and click Open. And this little box is going to open up if you still have your drive set up this way, confirming what you want to do with the files. And normally I don't want my files to be converted, but in this case I do. So the very first box, it says convert documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and drawings from the corresponding to the corresponding Google Docs format. That's the one I'm going to check, and I'm going to click Start Upload. And so what it will actually do is upload the file and convert it for me. And then when I open that file up in Google Drive, I can go ahead and edit and make any changes that I need to make. One of the things that Sliderocket does not download is any videos that you had embedded in your presentation from YouTube. So for example, in this other video, or this other presentation file that I had some slides that had videos that were on YouTube. So I'm going to give it a second to open up. Here it is. So you can see this video was not exported from Sliderocket. So I would need to go back to YouTube and find that video and re-add it to my presentation. So it's just a short tutorial for showing you how to download a Sliderocket, convert it in PowerPoint, and then upload it to Google Presentation. You certainly can keep your Sliderockets just as regular PowerPoint files. The only reason why I would recommend, though, potentially bringing them up to Google Presentation is that Google Presentation, similar to Sliderocket, can be shared, via email, or you can actually embed it in your Google site. If you have any questions, please let me know.